I'm setting up the material here on the CNC bed, so you can, this is a big CNC, it's definitely, and not a small project CNC, but most of my projects are actually pretty small. What I'm trying to look at is the material that I have here is exactly 8 inches. I need to know how much play I can give, or how much space I need to give this. I do still want to be able to grab, I might grab it at an angle, or I might just say, you know what? If it hits this thing a little bit, that won't be the end of the world. That's probably the route that I'm going. And I have this line here across this axis. I think this is the y-axis. The y-axis goes down that way. Or that's the x-axis. Y is left and right. Okay. So I've got that alignment there. And then when I zero the machine, I'll have the 0, 0 right here. I'll use this 45-degree bit and put it right over top of this to have x0 and then y0. And then I'll use the 0 to get z0. Okay, so what I cared about was this piece needs to be there. I'll tighten this down, and then over here, I'll make sure, oh, I've already got a nice little chunk there, so make sure that aligns with it. Cool. I'll tighten these for now. All right, and then my next question is, as I save these, so downward 1/4 inch is this one. So that one needs to be in 4. Yep, downward spiral 1/4 inch, downward spiral 1/4 inch. This one needs to be in 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then downward 1/8 inch, which is this one, needs to be in number 3. So right now this with the flat bottom cutters there. I'll put that in here. Okay, now end mill. My 16th inch end mill needs to be in 5. I don't have it in here right now, so I'm going to be swapping. Let's see, do I have another? This is the one I'm going to do the cutout with, so no. I'm going to have to swap out this 1/2 inch for a 1/4 inch shaft. Okay, so I need to change that. And then end mill, 1/2 inch. Not this. Here's my deeper normal cutter. This is the one I'll do the cutout with, because you can see it's got more depth. And I'll be able to do the cutout, and then the alignment holes will go deeper. Okay, and that one is 1. Oops, missed that. Okay, and this one I'm not using right now, so I'll put it back. And this one I'm going to pull out, so I don't need to change it. And actually I've got a bit over here, the line a bit. It's already a 1/4 inch shank, so I'll swap it out. If I can get that in there. And I'll need to come and blow all the dust off of this, because I want to make sure those seat well. Okay. I'm gonna go find my 16th inch bit over on the wall. I think it's right there. Center of the video. And then I'll get the machine warmed up and we'll be on.